Hello, good morning. This is my first chance to test out the new DJI Osmo Pocket. The first change of weather, so it's finally stopped raining today, and let's see what this little bad boy can do. This is 4K 60 frames per second, and I'm walking at a normal pace. And how is the stabilization? I can't really tell from this little screen on there, but I shall see. And is the camera in focus? This is operating just with the gimbal and the camera without the iPhone, so I can't really tell it is in focus or not. So I have not played around with the settings. How's exposure? This is a very contrasty area with lots of trees, and the sky is quite bright, so I'll be interested to see what the exposure is going to come out like. When the camera was shipped, there was a firmware update, so this is with the latest firmware, but annoyingly it doesn't have any C log or D log, so the picture profile is the default setting, so this is a bit annoying. And also story mode is missing. I've been told by the DJI forum on there the update will be soon for firmware. How's the audio? With the latest firmware, DJI have updated the algorithm for the audio, and it should be a lot better. But how does it sound? How do I sound? Good morning.